Hey people, how are we doing on this Saturday morning? Ready for another installment of Crusty Rusty Salvage. Let's see what's going on today. Happy days. So today, me being me, decided that I'm going to ride my bike that I've had since I got it for Christmas last year. Yeah, I rebuilt it in my kitchen. Yeah. Then put it back together way before my YouTube channel. So today is the first day I'm going out, and I have not ridden for nearly 30 years. So this is going to be fun. Happy days, people.
3 and 1. No fucking cargo.
So yeah, first time on my bike. I've ridden bikes, don't get us wrong. And I can ride motocross. I used to ride motocross many moons ago when I was 16, 17. But this is the first time I've probably ridden properly since 1993? Yeah, 1993. So we're away to a top secret location where nobody knows, and I'm going to test myself on my bike for the first time in 30 years. Now it can either go one way or the other. It can either go disastrously, because the girlfriend's at home full of anxiety, or I can just take it easy and wean myself back into it. We'll see. Anyway, I'm on my way to this top secret location just outside of Washington off the A19. We're gonna get the bikes out. There's a few and I'm really looking forward to this, but I'm also really anxious. So happy days, people, and I will speak to you soon. I'm either gonna kill myself or I'm gonna back to it like a duck to water. For this shit. Panels fell off already. Stay there for a minute. Is that the fuel definitely off? Yeah. It's up there, just bump it down here.
I could, but I'll just run along the road with it.
Sure. Channel. Ready? responsive, like. It's responsive. Oh, me len's got mucky.
I'm going to go and blast one there and that. I'm going to go and blast one over the other side and that. You coming?
Yeah. That was tough. Like, really tough. I came off twice. I've knocked my foot. My bike done well though. It's a bloody tough bike to ride. I'm a bonny colour though, look. And so is my bike. Bonny colour. Right, I'm going home, I'm going to get a shower and repair my leg. Yeah, I think it's my leg. Right, adios. Are YouTube? Yeah.
What's your name on it?
There, Crusty Rusty Salvage. I am done in. That was fun. Absolute fun. It was like I've never been off a bike, but Jesus, I'm knackered. I am so tired, it's unbelievable. You can tell I've never done it for 30 years. I've knocked my ankle, but that was my own fault. I came off twice, once in a puddle, I just fell over, I went, that's it, I'm just coming off the bike. And the second time I tried to bump start my bike and I went down the hill and I had my hand on the throttle too much and it just took off and ended up in some trees. But you know what it is? I've had the time of my life. It's been friggin' mint. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Here's the next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you can comment. You know, get the ball rolling. And I'll speak to you again soon. Happy days, people, and God bless, man.